Hey DIY enthusiasts, are you ready to dive into the world of website creation? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to build your very own website from scratch without needing to be a tech wizard. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right platform for your website. There are plenty of platforms out there, but for beginners, I highly recommend starting with WordPress. It's user-friendly, versatile, and hey, it powers over 30% of the internet. Now, once you've chosen your platform, the next step is picking a domain name. This is your website's address on the internet. Think of something catchy, easy to spell, and relevant to your content. Remember, your domain name is your identity on the web, so make it count. Moving on, let's talk hosting. Web hosting is basically the home where your website lives online. There are many hosting services out there, but for starters, look for one that's reliable, fast, and has good customer support. Some popular choices include Bluehost, SiteGround, and DreamHost. Alright, now that you've got your domain and hosting sorted, it's time to set up your website. With WordPress, installation is usually a one-click process through your hosting provider. Once installed, you can choose a design for your website using themes. WordPress has thousands of free and premium themes to choose from. Pick one that suits your style and your content's needs. Next up, let's add some pages to your site. You'll probably want a home page, about page, contact page, and maybe a blog section. Creating these pages is straightforward in WordPress. Just go to the dashboard, click on Pages, and then Add New. From there, you can add text, images, and even videos to enhance your pages. Plugins are next on the list. These are like apps for your WordPress site that add all sorts of features. Want to improve your SEO? There's a plugin for that. Need to add a contact form? There's a plugin for that too. Just remember to keep your plugins updated to keep your site running smoothly. Now, once your website looks good and functions well, it's crucial to make sure it's optimized for search engines. SEO might sound complicated, but it's really about making your site friendly to search engines like Google. Use titles, descriptions, and keywords that reflect what your site is about. There are great SEO plugins like Yoast that can guide you through this process. And finally, the most exciting part, launching your website. Once you're happy with how everything looks and works, hit that publish button. Congratulations, your website is now live. But remember, a website is not a set it and forget it kind of project. Keep your content fresh, engage with your visitors, and continue to optimize and update your site. The internet is always evolving, and so should your website. And there you have it, folks. Building your own website isn't just satisfying, it's also a fantastic way to share your passion with the world. So what are you waiting for? Go create something amazing. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.